pointing at that's where she wants new 4-bedroom building.
This is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like a ceiling candle.
Now then, where are we? And what's going on today? Let's have a look. See what's under here. Hey, I wish it was Debbie Daniels, but no, not Debbie Daniels. Today we are selling the Scoopy. Sad times, you've been a good one, Rex. We are off to the transport office to sell, well, to exchange ownership with a lovely Thai lady and her lovely English partner. Right, so take it all back about this lovely young man. He's we've gone through 2 red lights. I had to stop at one because there was traffic coming. So yeah, it is what it is, and that's his lovely young lady there. Look. So yes, as you remember at the start of the video, I said we were going to the transport office too. Ew, dead end. Wrong turn, right turn, Clyde. Right turn. No pass, can we? Sawadee Cup. Maybe just for cars. So yeah, the man in question you'll know when we get there. Oh yeah, I've known him a while. Top lad. Hang on, sorry about that. Just had to turn the indicators off. My companion up front there was indicating left, indicating right. I wondered what he was doing, and yeah, I had my indicator on. So now we are going left. No indicator because I've only got one pair of hands. I hope he knows where he's going. I think he's using sat nav. Well, yeah, as you can see, this is Thai culture. Not in the main city. We're out in the Outback. I did come here before to do my driving license, I do believe. But I came with TikTok services agent that did man and Cheap Dave's driving license. Who knows Cheap Dave, eh? Resort there. Can you hear me? I don't have, it's a little bit breezy, and I don't have all the singing, all dancing. Fancy equipment, keep it simple. I don't do many, rev it kid, rev it. I don't do many of these videos on bike, so. And yes, as I've mentioned before, I just use an iPhone XR 2018 model, single lens camera, internal microphone, not external. No fancy DJI, GoPro, And I think we are over there somewhere. Yeah. No? No. She's maybe pointing at, that's where she wants new 4-bedroom building. For his big 95-inch TVs. Hey up, hey up. Watch out, guys, for these sandy patches, especially when you're riding one-handed on these back roads. Can't be too far. Surely. I think we're near. Maybe. Massage now, look. Massage. Mr. Nayao. Well, this is Thailand. I wonder if that's code for a happy ending. No, only one A in massage, not two. Massage. Ah, we're here. We are here. Helmet area, 100%. No riding with one hand. Where would you park there? Eh? Ticket, look. Hey, right, catch you in a bit. Now then, where are we? Come on, confess. So I've taken Amanda. I've taken Amanda to get some food because these two are shy boys, you know what I mean? Take some food, and look, I've come back and they've eaten me fucking chicken wings.
And spring roll.
And spring roll. Horrible bastards, man.